In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale your videos using Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to pick the right enhancement model so your footage looks clean and professional. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Higgsfield AI website. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the video section of the site. Hovering there reveals the tools you'll need. From the options that appear, select Video Upscale. This is the workspace dedicated to improving the resolution and clarity of your clips. On the Upscale page, click Upload Media. Choose the video file you want to enhance from your computer. Common formats usually work fine, but larger or longer files will take more time to upload. Keep the tab open and avoid navigating away while the upload is in progress. You'll see the system begin to process the file. Let it finish loading completely before moving on. Once your video is loaded, you can choose the model that best fits your footage. You'll see options like Sora 2 Enhancer, Higgsfield Upscale, and Topaz Video. If your clip needs a general quality boost while keeping the original look, Higgsfield Upscale is a solid, balanced choice. If you're aiming for stronger enhancement on detail while maintaining a natural tone, Sora 2 Enhancer is often ideal for clean sources like screen captures or well-lit footage. For material that's softer, grainier, or needs extra sharpening and denoising, Topaz Video can provide a crisper, more pronounced upgrade. Think about the source of your video and the final style you want, natural and subtle or sharp and more pronounced, and pick the model accordingly. With your model selected, click Upscale. The processing will begin and you'll see progress indicators as the system works through your clip. Processing time depends on the length of the video, the complexity of the model, and your connection. It's normal for this step to take a while on longer files. Keep the tab open and let the upscaler run to completion. When the process finishes, you're done. Your enhanced video is ready on the page using the model you selected. That's the full workflow. Go to Higgsfield AI, hover to the video tools, open Video Upscale, upload your media, wait for it to load, choose a model that matches your needs, and click Upscale. Follow these steps and you'll reliably get sharper, cleaner results without changing your original content. Thanks for